If your plants are looking sad or not growing like they should, chances are they're dealing with some nutrient deficiencies that are easy to fix once you know what's up. So first things first, get a soil test done. It sounds boring, but it's the best way to figure out exactly what your soil is missing. You can grab a kit online or from a garden center, and it usually just involves taking a small sample of your dirt and sending it off or testing it yourself. Once you know which nutrients are low, like nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium, you can pick a balanced fertilizer that matches what your plants need. Don't just guess and dump fertilizer everywhere, because that can mess things up more than help. When you apply fertilizer, follow the instructions on the package carefully. More doesn't always mean better. Water your plants right after fertilizing to help the nutrients soak in. Keep an eye on your plants over the next week or two to see how they respond, and don't forget to repeat soil tests every year or so to stay ahead of problems. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their plants have nutrient deficiencies is guessing what's wrong without testing the soil, which can lead to overfertilizing and hurting the plants. To fix this, always test first and only add what's needed. Another common issue is using fertilizers with too much nitrogen without balancing it with phosphorus and potassium, which messes with root growth and flowering. The fix here is choosing a balanced fertilizer that covers all the basics. Lastly, people often forget to water after applying fertilizer, which can cause the nutrients to burn plant roots. Just make sure to water right away to keep things safe and effective. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with people who actually need their skills, making the whole process smoother for everyone.